From the rolling green foothills of the eastern San Gabriel Valley, the community of Glendora proudly presents the Glendora Tartan Band and Pageantry. The Tartan Band and Pageantry is proud to represent Scottish culture throughout Southern California and the world. Recent awards include honors at the Azusa Golden Days Parade, Loera Band Review, Chena Invitational Band Review, and the Arcadia Festival of Bands. The Tartan Band and Pageantry proudly represents California in the National Independence Day Parade in Washington, D.C. on July 4th, 2025. Their competition march for 2025 is Fairest of the Fair by John Philip Sousa.
Director of Bands, Eric Quintini.